Hey and welcome. This is Photoshop Made Easy with Majinn, where I'm offering fast, clean, real results, no fluff. New videos 3 times a week, tutorials that stick. So what we're going to be working with today, let's zoom out here. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing on here is just showing how to use AI generation to enhance your Photoshop pictures. It's pretty simple. It's pretty cool. Back in the day, wasn't that easy. You actually had to put some work in, but now they made it a little easier. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just make this look really cool and tweak it out a little bit. So what you do is you select the area that you want to enhance. All right, so we see the green in here. I'm gonna do something like, let's see, something like a green crystallized cave. With glowing stones. Let's see what that gives us. So this is gonna make like the background of it. Different portions of your edits you can do this with. It's really cool, really easy. You could tweak it, do what you want with it. Look at that, see? So we got something simple. That's pretty cool. That's a little bulky. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. So now we got this. Now, whenever you're dealing with AI generated images, first thing you want to do is rasterize this layer and then apply the layer mask. This turns it into a still image. So now, like, if I want to do other things with it, I can. What we can do here is we're gonna mess with the background on here now. Actually, no. Another cool thing is within an image, if you want to change things, like say just this section of an image, and you want to do an AI generation, it'll automatically adapt to the actual image, and it'll change the things while still keeping what the actual image there. So I'm gonna say, let's see, glowing lightning bugs. So it's going to add glowing lightning bugs that's going to match what the background already has. So it'll kind of change the stones around, I'm sure. But let's see what it does. And then what I'm going to show you is how to put it all together. Now, see, I didn't really get what I wanted on there. Maybe I worded it wrong, but you see how it just changed the image slightly. Just does little different things here. Now, here's another thing. So now that this is there, it's not together, so you wouldn't be able to move it, or we'll Command Z this, Control Z if you're using a different computer. And what you want to do is rasterize the layer again, apply the layer mask, and merge this down. Now that you've done that, it's all together as one image. Now we could always enhance this, bring it down here, and do something cool with this. Let's erase this real quick so it doesn't mess up our writing here. So we got some down here. Here, I'm gonna make it mash up a little better. There we go. Right there. Let's erase it. Oh, too far. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this. Copy, paste, flip it around. I'm just going to go into edit, transform, vertical. It'll give it a little flip, and we got this right here to where it kind of looks like a cool effect. I'm going to keep this. I actually like this. So for future videos, you're going to see this on here. We did this today. Another really cool thing that I want to do before we finish up with this video is this little writing right here. You see how you can't really see it too well because the color is on there? Here's a cool thing you do. You go to blending options. You're going to do stroke. It's a little thick stroke. A little thinner stroke. Just a little thin stroke. That helps the letters pop. You see that? But you can also do outer glow. And we'll do a green outer glow. We'll keep the same color. You can go outside and just click the color and boom. Now that kind of like makes it stand out. So this is Photoshop made easy with Majinn. Fast, clean, real results, no fluff. I'm going to be posting new videos 3 times a week, tutorials that stick. Thanks for watching. Comment anything you have trouble with, and I will teach you in the videos to come. Here's one thing I had trouble with: spelling anything. We can just click that, and voila, anything. If you haven't done it yet, please like and subscribe. Comment whatever you want to learn in the videos, and I will provide a video for that. Appreciate you for watching. Thanks.